Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today I'm excited because we're going to be making a very quick and easy lunch idea, and it's fast. It's great for you want to take a cold lunch. Very simple to work. So it's an idea for a wrap sandwich for lunch. This can also be a quick dinner idea. Could be a breakfast recipe. You can use it for picnic foods, brunch idea even. So, all right, let's get started. So we're going to be using some soft fajita tortillas. So it doesn't matter the brand. This is what I'm using. Okay, so mayonnaise. I like the rotisserie chicken seasoning in it. Some powdered onion, black pepper, tomato, onion. I've got 2 leaves of romaine lettuce. Some turkey breast, sliced cold cuts, and cooked ham, sliced cold cuts. Okay, now you can make it whichever way you like. If you like chicken, you want to use beef, you want to use pork, it doesn't matter what kind of meat filling you use. But basically, it's just a very quick, easy, simple thing to make. For lunch, you can make it for dinner, breakfast, lunch, doesn't matter. It's healthy. It's also a healthy alternative to what you normally might be having. Nice healthy lunch, nice healthy breakfast. All right, so we're gonna dice the tomato. Okay, and I'm not gonna use too much tomato because I'm just making 1 or 2 wraps. Not making a lot. All right, so I'm gonna dice my tomato into very small pieces because remember, this has to be able to fit into the tortilla, into the wrap. Okay, and we're going to be folding the wrap. That's another thing. So in order to be able to fold the wrap, we need those pieces inside of it, the filling has to be small. Okay, so it can't have large pieces. I mean, you could, you're just not going to be able to fold it as much as you want to. Alright, so it's going to be a small dice. Okay. Alright, so after we dice our tomatoes, and by the way, you can also add zucchini, you can add cucumbers, you can add anything else that you like in here. It doesn't have to be just this. Remember, you're going to make it to the way that you like it. Alright, so we're going to put our tomatoes in here. Alright, any container you have, you're going to put your tomatoes in there, any bowl you have. You just want to have something to mix this in when we get to that point. And then I have 2 romaine lettuce leaves. And again, I'm going to make these small. And this is also very similar to a chopped sandwich, like a chopped cold cut sandwich. I've made those before. I have a video on that. I made a sandwich with that before, and I don't know. Wait, was it a salad? No, I think it was a salad. I'm trying to remember. It was a whole sandwich. Yes, it was a sandwich. Yes, now I remember. Okay. Then I'm gonna add. I like onions in mine, so it's gonna be a little bit of onion. Okay, not too much. Just a tiny bit of onion in there. We're gonna place this way. Also, celery would be nice in this. And I do have celery, but I didn't think of it until now. Celery would be nice. Alright, I'm gonna pour that in there. Okay, we're going to get rid of that. right, then we're gonna take our cold cuts, and we don't need a lot, maybe 3 slices of the turkey cold cuts. All right, and 1 slice of the canned cold cuts would be good. Okay, now remember this has a lot of sodium in it, so use it at your discretion. I like to watch my sodium intake, so I don't want really that much cold cut pieces in here. Let me just make sure you guys are in range. Okay, alrighty. And again, you're gonna do a small dice. Okay, if you've ever made a chopped sandwich before or this type of wrap before, let me know. And I was thinking this would also be a good picnic food. This is good to take on a picnic. You want to take something simple. You can make some small wraps with tortillas. Okay, and fill them with whatever you like. Even a vegetable wrap would be nice. Nice and healthy. Okay. Alrighty. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna mix some of our mayonnaise in there. Now, the mayonnaise, you don't have to use plain mayonnaise. You can add, you can use dressing of your choice. You can use some, I think it's called Miracle Whip, right? Or you can use the, I'm gonna start with about a teaspoon and a half. And we're gonna mix that together. I'm gonna start with this. And you can add a little bit of vinegar, a dash of vinegar to the mayonnaise, to your mixture, which, I think I'm gonna do that. It sounds like a good idea. Alright, but before we even go ahead with that, I think this is good enough mayonnaise for now. I'm going to add a little bit of my rotisserie chicken seasoning. I really like the flavor of this, and you can use this to flavor almost anything. I use it in potatoes, and I make my potato wedges, baked potatoes, pasta, chicken, tacos, any ground beef recipes, stews, soup, broth. Okay, you can use that. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna have one of my upcoming recipes. By the way, this is onion powder. It's gonna be for simple soup when you want to eat something really light and you're not in the mood for anything really heavy. And you can maybe just have something on the side with the soup. So that's going to be in an upcoming recipe. It might be my next recipe. So, please be on the lookout for that one. And a little bit of black pepper. Alrighty. Yeah, let me wave that because I don't want to sneeze. Black pepper always makes me sneeze. Alrighty. Alright, and as you saw, I just added a dash of each seasoning. You don't need a whole lot. And this is not a lot of mixture anyway, so. Again, you can add anything else you want to in here. Okay, you can, avocado will be perfect in this. I wish I had some avocado. But you know what? I'm going to be making this recipe again. And most likely, I'm going to be adding avocado. That would be a fantastic idea. That would be a very good idea. Okay, I'm trying to get the rest of this mayonnaise off the spoon. Alrighty. Okay, and we're done with this mixture. So now we're going to assemble our wrap. So that's a very simple, quick and easy lunch wrap. It's also very healthy because you've got your vegetables in here. All right. Okay, so we're going to just move this to the side for a sec. There we go. Get rid of this. Down for a sec. So, okay, this will probably make at least 2 wraps of this size. It seems to be like the medium size. It doesn't look like they're the smaller ones. Okay, that's what they look like on the inside. They're very small, very soft. Okay, I think we can make 2 out of this. You can heat up your tortilla if you like. As a matter of fact, let me see what that recommends heating them up. They probably do, but alright. They say they're perfect for grilled chicken fajitas. Ooh, that would be a nice recipe. Maybe I'll do that also. Alrighty. Okay, I'm not gonna put any extra mayonnaise or anything on the tortilla itself. Alright, so I'm gonna put some of it like that. There. Oh, this smells very good. I wish I had some cucumber in it, but I forgot to take it out, so this will have to do for now. Let me see if this is enough filling. Maybe we can put a little bit more. Okay, that seems to be good enough. Let me just fill them up a little bit more. I want to make the thumbnail, I want the thumbnail to look nice. Let's see. Alrighty. Okay, just gonna try to fold them. Oh, I wish I had some toothpicks. Make it look nice and pretty. Okay, we're gonna turn them over that way. Oh, I think they're overstuffed. Alright. Take out a little bit. Trying to make them look nice and pretty for the thumbnail, but let's see. Okay, that one's coming out. Alrighty, let's put this one over here. Maybe we can still wish we could fold it. They look so pretty that way. They look very pretty this way. Oh, I wish I could hold. I wish I had toothpicks. All right. Well, maybe we'll put one up. Okay, we'll put one facing down. All right. Okay, I think that's good enough. All right. There you go. And those are our nice, quick and easy, you know, brunch ideas. Fajita, wraps for lunch, you know, chopped cold cut wraps. Okay. Hopefully you enjoyed seeing this video, and that's what they turned out like. Okay. Okay, thanks for coming by. See you next time.